The Ryobi ONE HP Brushless 3/8" extended reach ratchet delivers flexibility and power where you need it most. ONE HP Brushless technology provides up to 55 foot-pounds of torque, and the 4-position head also makes fitting into any angle possible, granting better reach, power, and convenience than ever before. The ratchet's slim head and extended reach design gets that power into tight and hard-to-reach spaces. Dual onboard LED work lights keep your project illuminated at any angle. The 3/8" anvil with pin detent provides secure socket retention, and the variable speed metal paddle trigger provides ultimate control. The Ryobi ONE HP Brushless 3/8" extended reach ratchet, part of the ONE system, exclusively at the Home Depot.